Hi there folks, Sheila Wang here, bringing you the latest tech buzz. We are talking about the storage, computing power, power rental, cooling power, and CPU light modulars. What's the deal with all this jargon? If you are into tech stocks, the following content is what you need, and it's a little bit brainy, so take it slow. Hit that like button and subscribe my channel. For a deep dive, check out my analysis report below. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Computing power is the ability to crunch numbers. What is the market logic? It's all about the AI industry exploding. 华为是任正非 ever said. It's the fourth industrial revolution. And what's the core of AI? You guessed it, computing power. The logic below it is the US is putting the squeeze on NVIDIA's computing power cards. With the storage, prices skyrocket, and getting your hands on one is tougher than nailing jelly to a wall. Now, let's with some of recent events about this industry. The first one is NVIDIA kicks off the AI computing power market, unveiling the H200 chip. 60% to 90% performance boost over the H100, hitting the market next quarter. Compatible with the H100, so no need to switch for companies already using it. The second one is Alibaba Cloud pumps brakes on renting out the A100 server. The third one is the winner technology hikes up rental fees for A100 servers by 100%. Fourth one is big AI models are on the rise. Check out the top ones in the chart below. Well, let me take a close look on it. The hottest thing in AI town, ChatGPT-4 Turbo. I mean, it's so on fire that on the second and the third day after launch, it crashed multiple times because everyone ditched their regular jobs to hop onto the ChatGPT-4 Turbo train. The world's top-tier AI model, ChatGPT-4 Turbo, is causing a frenzy globally. China's rocking the second tier with Baidu and iFly Tech. And Alibaba's AI model is revving up in the third tier. But here's the deal. Big AI models need server and computing power chips. Servers and chips are the unsung heroes and the backbone, the infrastructure behind these AI giants. And my friends, do you remember my latest video? Yeah, it's why even Alibaba, the former e-commerce platform giant, is diving headfirst into the AI model game. AI is once-in-a-generation industry shakeup, and with the recent NVIDIA restrictions, computing power is scarcer than a parking spot on Black Friday. Alibaba Cloud stopped renting out the A100, causing a boom in demand for computing power. But guess what? Prices are skyrocketing, and if this price hike keeps going, we're in a wild ride in the industry chain. Well, as for the computing power industry, we're talking the three musketeers of computing: power rental, light modulars, power cooling, and storage power. Let's break it down here. First up, the real MVPs, the three musketeers, CPU, GPU, and DPU, which also known as brainy stuff like processors. Wondering which companies are worth your investment? For a deep dive, please check out my analysis report and get inside scoop on investment info and opportunities. Next, power rental. It's like renting out computing muscle. With GPU resources in high demand, some companies lease them out. Demand through the roof due to the AI boom. Power rental prices are spiking. Now, light modulars. CPO, the optoelectronic encapsulation tech. They were the rock stars in the first half of the year. It's a fierce competition between domestic and NVIDIA's computing power. Both need light modulars. These light modular companies are basically selling shovels in the AI gold rush. Consistent orders as long as the industry is thriving. Next, power cooling. The packaging game that determines computing power. Check my analysis report for the topics to invest in. Storage power, as known as storage chips. Prices are soaring in the second half of the year. What is the storage's role in the AI? Massive models need robust storage performance to unleash their computing power, right? Huawei storage bigwigs say it best. In the era of big models, data dictates AI intelligence, and storage is a crucial backbone. And as we know, DRAM and NAND in the peak are your regular storage chips. But hold up, there's a new kid on the block. HBM, high bandwidth memory. It's like the averager of memory stacking DDR chips and GPUs for colossal capacity and high bandwidth. Storage industries at a bottom cycle position, prices inching up due to the narrow supply. HBM3 even up 5 times. Major players like Samsung and SK Hynix are expanding HBM production, aiming to double capacity. Tech giants like Google, Apple, and Microsoft planning AI service expansions. HBM demands is soaring. Samsung and SK Hynix need to boost the production by over 10 times. Alright teams, lastly, let's talk about how to get in on the action with the companies we're dished about today. Don't go thinking you need to ride every wave in the market. From my point of view, if your investment journey just a handful of companies chugging along consistently can lead you to financial freedom, you gotta know as much as you can, and that's good enough. Some folks hit financial freedom just by riding a couple of banking or utility stocks. They don't even touch consumption, healthcare, or tech stocks. The key point is stick to what you know in your wheelhouse, and you are already ahead of over 90% of the money-making game.